Most of the time when you're cooking breakfast, you always go for bread because it's convenient. But if you're looking forward for clean eating, you need lots of veggies and protein. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very vibrant breakfast recipe, which is going to be very filling, and it's a recipe for two, which you can enjoy over a cup of tea or coffee. You'll need 250 grams of mini bites or sausages. We have eggs. I've prepped up some carrots and zucchini. We have onions, and I had some red capsicum, which I had in the fridge and decided to throw into the recipe because the recipe is super customizable. That means that you can add in any veggies that you have in your fridge. So you're going to start off by placing a pan over medium flame. Then you're going to add in around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then you're going to spread in the pan. Make sure the pan is evenly coated with the oil. Wait for around 30 seconds for the oil to get ready. I'm going to be frying my mini bites while whole. You can chop into little pieces if you're going to cook the breakfast for toddlers. So I'm going to carefully place in the sausages in the pan. Toast the sausages, then you're going to fry for around a minute or until the sausages have a golden brown color on the outside. And this is a recipe for around 2 people. While my sausages are cooking, I'm going to crack in 4 eggs to a bowl. Add in some salt to season the eggs. Then I'm going to add in some chili flakes together with black pepper, which is optional. Mix up everything. Check on my sausages. Toss a little bit to make sure everything is perfectly cooking. When the sausages are ready, I'm going to transfer to a plate. And using the same oil, I'm going to add in an onion, my veggies, zucchini, add in some salt to season the veggies, and also I'll add in some black pepper and chili flakes. It's going to take around 3 to 4 minutes at most to saute your veggies until soft. So just keep on tossing as you're cooking so that you can get that nice char on the veggies, and also so that the salt, the chili flakes can absorb into the veggies. This is a very fast recipe, which is going to take very few minutes of your time. So I'm going to grab a plate where I'm going to transfer the veggies once ready. And as you can see, everything is looking super vibrant. As you're cooking your veggies, check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in some more salt. When all the veggies are perfectly tender and not overcooked, you're going to transfer to your plate. Just look at that, gorgeous. Then in the same pan, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of more cooking oil. I still have a little bit of oil in the pan. Then I'm going to add in my eggs. You're going to pull the sides of the eggs, and you're going to create ripples, which are going to be looking absolutely amazing. When done cooking, you can serve on a platter, place at the dining table so that everyone can enjoy some delicious breakfast. So this is how everything has turned out. I love how the scrambled eggs are not overcooked, not too dry, not rubbery. So yum. The veggies still crunchy, perfectly seasoned with a nice kick of spiciness. So yum. I'm going to try out my mini sausages. Yum. So good. This is a must try recipe. Bye bye.